Hi everyone, Nancy with Ash's Treasure. Just been a busy day, Saturday, and we've been cleaning and everything, and we straightened up the basement today. After Monday's tornado warnings and everything, it's like, this is one girl that does not like to be prepared, so we got prepared. I don't know if y'all seen it in my other videos. When I was down here doing my stockpile and emergency planning, and I was over in the corner. Well, I got it all prepared today, all organized. And here's, let me see, yeah, it starts our stockpile right there, and emergency totes and blankets and clothes, and that way we can go underneath the steps over this way and be prepared. Have our little shelter down here. Just move some things around, and then we can got plenty of blankets and everything. So that is what we've been doing today. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to transfer some plants and everything. I got 2 big tubs. Keep my fingers crossed. So I'm hoping to get something this year. If not, well, I'll still support a local farmer. But yep, that's been our day today. So I hope everybody had a great day, a great Saturday, no rain, plenty of sunshine, and we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bells for notifications, and leave a comment below. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. Later.